Welcome to Mogby Academy. In today's lesson, we're focusing on one of the most important concepts in Chem 240, the First Law of Thermodynamics. We'll go through its definition, equation, sign rules, and a full solved example. Let's get started. The first law of thermodynamics states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. In simpler terms, energy doesn't disappear. It just changes form. In thermodynamics, this law means that the total energy of an isolated system stays the same. Energy may leave or enter the system as heat or work, but the system's internal energy changes accordingly. Mathematically, we express the first law like this. Delta U equals Q plus W. Delta U is the change in internal energy, Q is the heat added to the system, and W is the work done on the system. Now let's look at the sign conventions. This is very important for solving problems. Heat is positive when it enters the system, and negative when it leaves. Work is positive when done on the system, and negative when the system does work. Let's solve a simple example. Suppose 50 joules of heat is added to a gas, and the gas does 20 joules of work on the surroundings. What is the change in internal energy? We apply the equation, delta U all share Q plus W. That's 50 joules plus negative 20 joules. The result is 30 joules, so the internal energy increased by 30 joules. Let's wrap up with a quick summary. The first law is about energy conservation. Use the formula du is equal to Q plus W. Master your sign rules, and keep practicing with past questions. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. You can also download the full class note. The link is in the description. See you in the next video.